Alright guys, so dito naman, since we want to help you to procure the items abroad, no, from AliExpress or Alibaba, no, we have partnered with Pinoy Ecom Solutions, no. So Pinoy Ecom Solutions is a company owned by my very good friend Rudolph Ryan Perez, no. So thank you sa kanya na pinaunlakan niya yung partnership between Pinoy Ecom Academy and Pinoy Ecom Solutions, in which pwede kang umorder dito. Okay, this is PCOM Solutions ng mga items from AliExpress, no? Ang gagawin mo lang is mamaya papakita ko yung flow kung paano mo gagawin siya. Okay, ito yung Facebook link niya. Ayan, PCOM Solutions. So diyan i-message mo lang 'yan at merong sasagot sa iyo. Okay? So ito yung flow, okay, kung paano ka o-order ng products sa Premier Ecom Solutions. Okay? So first, message mo lang yung PCOM Solutions and then mag-send ka ng message and picture. So parang ganito yung format parang ito. Hi, do you have this item? So state mo din yung name ng item tsaka yung image. Importante yung image. So saan mo kukunin yung image? Screenshot mo yung nandun sa AliExpress o sa Alibaba or kung saan mo man nakita yung item. Screenshot mo yan and then yun yung kasama na ipapadala mo. Then insert mo yung pangalan mo. Then lagyan mo lang referred by Pinoy Ecom Academy para malaman lang nila at ma-entertain ka nila. Okay, so wait mo yung reply nila kung magkano ba yung item and how many days ba darating dito sa Pilipinas. Okay, if may hiningi silang other details, ibigay mo na lang like the address, contact number, or kung paano mo ba mag-procure yung item sa kanila. So message mo lang yung admin sa PCOM Solutions and they're happy and glad to assist you. Alright?